Good day everyone, I am Kyle Vincent Arnotche from ISET 3102 and this is my laboratory exercise number 4. So in laboratory exercise number 4, which is the lamp control using 3 inputs. The goal here is there would be 3 input switches and 1 output, which is the lamp. Once the 2 of the 3 push buttons are activated, lamp will on. When all 3 inputs, which is the switch, are activated, the output should not switch on. So first thing we do is open the codices app. We create a new file. We select the Festo CPX. We select the LD, language of the POU. And we have this diagram. So the next thing we do is we need to create a diagram. So we need 1 input switches. So 1, another 2, 3, and we need more for another 2 switches. We need to add the last one. And there we go. So we also need a lamp, which is the output, and we need to put an address on each of the switches. So here is the push button one. The code here was %ix 4.0. For another button, which is the push button 2, to put an address here. ix 4.1. And for push button 3, so we just need to label this another latching switches. So we also need to put an address on the output, which is the lamp. And the address on the lamp is %QX2.2. So we can see the address here, the top. There. The next thing we do is to put a visualization. So project, then object, add, and there we go. we just need to fill this. So I guess rectangle for the switches. Another one for the push button number 2 and another one for the push button number 3. So it's gonna be legend. And we need to put an output, which is the lamp. So the next thing we do is put an address on each of these shapes. This one is push button 1. And we need to put colors for green. The next thing we do is to put variables, which is here on text display, PLC underscore PRG dot. So this is push button number 1, so we select the push button number 1. So, and another for input, top variable PLC underscore PRG dot push button number 1. So there we go, we have the push button number 1. Next we proceed to push button number 2. Colors inside green, okay. Alarm color red, okay. So variables text display PLC underscore PRG dot push button number 2. Input PLC underscore PRG dot push button number 2. Okay, number 3. 3. Oops. Colors green, alarm red, okay. Then variables PLC underscore PRG dot push button number 3, same as in the input, PLC underscore PRG dot push button number 3. Now the input is set. The next thing we do is on putting address on the lamp. Colors gray, then yellow. Variables text display PLC underscore PRG dot blank. Oh no. So now we need to test it. Online simulation mode, online login, no error, run. So when we press the push button number 1, As you can see here, the push button number 1 is activated, but the lamp is still not on. So when we press another push button, the lamp will turn on. So there's a problem. When we click the push button number 3, the lamp is still not on. We need to do a we need to calibrate it. So now I can see the errors, which is I forgot to put negate on each switches. So we need to put negate here on push button number 3 and push button number 2, also for the push button number 1. So we need let's test it again. Okay, so when we press the push button number 1, as we can see here on the diagram, the push button number 1 is activated, but the lamp is still not on. So when we press another push button, the lamp should be on. Okay, so that's a good sign. So when we press 3 push button, the lamp will not turn on. So this is the push button number 2. So on siya because push button number 1 and push button number 2 is activated. And when we push the push button number 3, the lamp will turn off. Okay.